Hi, it's me again. So I wanted to make another video going over the second project for the Treehouse Techdegree front-end web development program. This project is a mobile-first responsive website. I just got my grade back a couple days ago, and I did get an exceeds expectations, which I'm so proud and I'm so happy about. So I just wanted to give you guys some tips and tricks that I found extremely helpful and really helped me get through finally finishing this project. So my first tip would be download the app SoloLearn. I really love this app. I like to use it when I'm out, like, I don't know, standing in line somewhere or just anywhere where I don't have my computer. You can learn anything from it. You can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, any of those things. And it's really nice to learn things from that. And then when it gets touched on in the Techdegree program, it really just helps solidify that learning. So I really, really recommend that app. I really, really like it. I think it is a free app, but you can also subscribe for, I think it's like $6.99 a month, which is awesome. My second tip would be, if you get stuck, go back to the video where Gil, because I think he makes all the videos, go back to the video where Gil is walking you through it. And then as he's walking through his website, go through your mobile first responsive website and match everything up. That really, really helped me. And my third tip is to use outside resources. Other than SoloLearn, Google your problem, and if you don't understand how to word the problem, then I would definitely go to the Slack community. The Slack community is awesome. I said that before. The students are awesome, and the moderators are really great as well. Oftentimes you'll ask a question and you'll get an answer back that you didn't even realize that you needed to know more of, kind of thing. So they give you resources, they give you tips and tricks, they tell you where you can find more information, and that's where I found my biggest problem that I had doing this project. Part of the footer for the mobile version, it just says your name and then it says back to top, and then for the tablet and desktop version, it says your name and then there's actual navigation bar, where that wasn't covered anywhere in the lesson or the previous lessons leading up to the second project. So I was able to ask in Slack, and I found the answer, and it worked out really great, and I'm so thankful that we have access to the Slack community. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about the second project, please let me know. Hopefully I can point you in the right direction, like people help point me in the right direction. Or if you've already done it, let me know how it went for you. It was a little bit of a struggle for me because I didn't realize it was going to be that 180 flip from the first to second project, but it really was a really like rewarding and like fulfilling project, because I didn't think I would be able to, I don't know, build a website like that, even though it was just kind of like a mock-up. I am still really proud of it. So yeah, anyways, if you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll also post some of the links, like the SoloLearn and some of the other stuff that I found really helpful for this project. So yeah, let me know if you have questions. Thanks.